With the moist and warm weather of summer in full swing, I'm sure you've seen an increase in pest activities in and around your home. Hi, I'm Sherry from Taylor's Do-It Center. We're going to be showing you some tips and products on some things to keep those bugs and critters at bay. Questions we get asked here at Taylor's during the summertime is for mosquitoes. They're out there, they're biting, they're bugging us. There's a few products that we have that we can get rid of them for. We do have the mosquito beater. You spray your yard with that. My daughter has a huge yard. She sprays it in half the yard. The half of the yard that she doesn't spray it in, there are mosquitoes. Once she crosses that line, there are no mosquitoes anymore. She swears by it. The other things we have are the sprays that you can actually spray on yourself to keep the bugs away. We have some clips that you can put on yourself or on your patio to also keep the mosquitoes away. Also, make sure you get rid of the standing water in your yards. If you do have standing water, ponds, fountains, things like that, use your mosquito dunks. That will actually kill the larvae inside the water. One of the things that customers come in for and are looking for are our ants products. We have quite a few ant products here that you can choose from. We have the liquid ant bait. You can cut the top of it off, leave it on your counter or wherever you see the ants travel, and they will actually go into it. They'll eat the lure and take it back to the nest, and most of your problem will be gone by then. We also have spray that you can use if you rather spray around where you see them. We do have ant bait for outside also, so they help prevent them from coming inside the house. You've got your fogger if you need the fogger. That also works on water bugs and roaches. We've got some stuff for that too, boric acid, roach tablets, anything that suits you for where you live at and how your house is set up. To get the ants and the roaches before they come in your house, you're better off to use like home defense or bug stop, and then go ahead and spray the perimeter of your house. And that way it actually will keep them from coming in the house, and hopefully that will stop most of your problems. If you've got any mice problems at all, we've got several things here that work really good with mice. We have the mice traps, we have the mice poison. You can either just put the poison out if you don't have any animals in the house, or you can put it in a little cage that's actually pet and child proof. If you have raccoons trying to get into your garbage at night, or the squirrels, you want to get rid of them, we do also have cages that are available. They work really good. That way you don't have to kill the animal. You can actually trap it and call animal control and they'll take it away for you. This time of year, people are always coming in looking for something to kill the wasps and the hornets. These two products are really good. This one here will actually shoot up to 25 feet if they're close to you. This one here you can spray the nest with, and what it does, it's a foam. So it actually will close up all the holes of the nest, so the wasps that are actually in the nest will eventually die. If you have any other pest problems or questions, feel free to come into any of our 11 locations here locally, and let's do it together. Taylor's Do-It Center, one family helping others since 1927.